Hey everyone, welcome to the altcoin of the day, and that is today Chainlink with rank number 16. It is traded around $2.17 and the market cap is about $766 million. If we take a look at the Chainlink with the trade navigator, then we see the daily basis. There was a halving from the 2nd of March to 2.50 mid-March. But even we touched a low of 170, 160 almost. So there was a severe brutal sell-off. When we are going to take a look at the 4 hours chart, there we see a consolidation pattern with a low around 1.95, a support area 1.95. 2.00 to the downside, and to the upside there is 2.40 more or less the upper boundary. And also on the 240 minutes, so the 4 hourly chart, there is no signal white smoke yet, because the trade navigator says that on the 240 it's still a sell with a stop loss around 240. We take a look at the hourly basis. There we see some green shoots, and that is very nice to take a look at, because what we are seeing, a nice consolidation above the purple line, that is I think the 62 hourly moving average, with blue line, that is the 4 hour line, this is shorter term. It generated around 2.12 buying signal. And now still it's in a trend on a daily basis, in the hourly basis. And if we can take the 220 resistance area out, then the next target would be 235, 250 for the ultra short term. For the longer term, however, I see more room to the upside on the table, and that is, let's take a look, 260, maybe 3, and 3 we have seen a long time. That was beginning of March, $4 even, and on a daily basis, on the helicopter view, you can see it a little bit slighter, the bigger picture. So the 260 is a big resistance area that is not so easy to break through. However, once it will take out the 260, we can go to the 3, and that is also corresponding with the moving average around 3.05. So if you're taking a look for a very ultra short term crypto trade, buy some Link. It's not an advice, but you could buy some Link with a potential target, first target 2.50, and on longer term 3. Of course, put the stop loss well below 2 and maybe 1.95 if you want to have a little bit more space. So far so good. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Hasta la vista. Ciao.